Okay, as you can see here, it is equipped with several sports function. The Huawei Band 9. And one of the sports function that we tested is the indoor walk. So we have here, the outdoor walk. No, ito. Okay, so let me show you one of the sports function that we tried here on the Huawei Band 9. So again, this wearable is loaded with hundreds or I think 100 sports function. And one of the sports function that we tested or tried is the indoor walk. So we have here the indoor walk. So we tried this one and here is the result. Let me show it to you. So we have here the workout records. So we have this one, the indoor walk, and here are the details. So we covered a 0.32 kilometer distance. We tested this for 5 minutes, as you can see. We have 23 calories burned. Speed, we also have here the average speed is 3.62 kilometer per hour. And we have here 499 steps. If you're asking if what is our recorded steps, we record at least 500 steps. As you can see here, very close to the step counter of the Huawei Band 9. We also have here the heart rate. We have 107. The lowest is 88 and average is 97. We also have the details on the aerobic, fat burning, and warm up. We also have the graphs here for the pace, the cadence, and other details here. Okay, you can also check the details here in the Huawei Health application. So let me show it to you. Huawei Health. Then we have the details here, exercise records. Tap on it. We have here the indoor walk. As you can see, 5 minutes. So we recorded duration 5 minutes and 18 seconds. We have the average pace here, cadence, and the steps. Again, our steps that we counted is around 510 steps. You also have here the charts. You have the average and the maximum heart rate. So it is a pretty useful data here, especially if you want to check on your sports activity. So that is for the indoor walk alone. There are other sports function available in the wearable. The important thing here is that we have 499 steps and we recorded 510 or 505 more or less. So it's pretty close to the results here of the step monitoring of our Huawei Band 9 for the indoor walk sports function. So that's it for those who are asking if how the step counter of the Huawei Band works or is it close to the actual count. As you can see, we do have a very good results. Again, if you have any requests or queries about the Huawei Band 9, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.